Hello, my name is Charmaine and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time visiting, thank you so much for stopping by. If you would like to see how I designed that t-shirt that you saw in my thumbnail, stay tuned and I'll show you. Alright, I'm using my Cricut Explorer 2 and I'm working on my MacBook Air. So we're going to go to design space. I'm going to go ahead and do a new project. And I'm going to push upload right here. And I already have the image that I want right here in my uploaded images. So I'm going to go ahead and push insert image. And today I'm going to show you how to weed and everything. This is my first time using the holographic vinyl. Well, the holographic HTV from Siser. It's my first time using that. I have used the holographic from Cricut, but this is my first time using it from Siser. And what HTV stands for, it stands for heat transfer vinyl for the newbies. Okay, I'm going to make her a 9x9 size for my shirt. Usually I do a 10x10, but I'm going to do a 9x9 today because I'm trying to save up on vinyl for this video. So I'm going to do a 9x9 for her face, and I'm going to do this by 2 or 3 inches. So, okay. And you know what? I'm going to take off this mood. I'm going to highlight this word. And I'm going to take out mood. Ungroup it. Take this out right here and delete it because I really don't want that on there because I know I heard it was hard to weed this holographic vinyl, so I just leave it just like that. Okay, that's all we had. That's all we gotta do is size our image the size we want to. And how I size my images, I take a tape measure and I just see how big it's gonna look on my shirt. So I measure my shirt and that's how I go. Like I said, I usually do a 10x10, but today I'm just gonna do 9x5 by 9x3. Just to save on vinyl. So now I'll go to make it. And you have to mirror this because this is heat. You're gonna apply heat on this, so every time, whenever you apply heat, you have to mirror it. So go ahead and mirror that. Make sure it's not touching that red line. Go to her face, mirror that. Make sure it's not gonna cut off her hair. Put her in the middle. Okay, and this is how the vinyl looks that I'm gonna be using. It's like a shimmery, glittery vinyl, but it's not. It's the holographic. Okay, and it's the back side. So make sure when you put it on your mat, you put it up on the shiny side down. Okay, so now you see the dull side is on the outside of the mat. Okay. Okay, now that we have everything looking good on the mat, let's go ahead and change the settings. We go to continue, and what I need to do is put my dial right in between light cardstock and cardstock. I put my dial on my Cricut right there between those two. So it says it's right here on light cardstock, but it's not right directly on it. Let me show you where it's at. I put it right here, okay? Right between light cardstock and cardstock. So now that we're ready, we can go ahead and push the arrow that's blinking off and on. So after this, I'm done cutting. I'll be back to show you how to weed it. Okay, now I am about to take off the vinyl off the mat. I have it right here. You really can't see it because it's really hard to see. So I'm just going to take it off. Oh, but you can see it this way. So a little bit. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but oh yeah, you can see a little bit. Okay, so what we do with this, we weave from the back. So put that mat up there, and I'm gonna cut around my image so I can save some of my vinyl. So I just gotta look at it real hard so I can see where the image is. Okay, just to save some vinyl. Okay, so then I'm gonna cut around the hair a little bit. Little scraps sometimes. You can probably use this with something. So I'm trying to see. This stuff is not cheap, I tell you. Okay, I can see it better when I hide the light with my head, so I can see a little better. Okay, little scraps to the side. And then I'm gonna get my little Cricut weeding tool right here. And I'm gonna weed out everything I don't need, and just make sure you can still use your computer to see what you don't need. I know I don't need this hand of her. So her hand is white on the computer, so I take her skin off her hand. They said it's really hard to start weeding process off of this, but they say it's good to bend it. Go ahead and bend this like so. Catch a piece. And just go ahead and pull it. Okay, there we go. Then I'm going around the hair. Okay, so yeah, I basically just peel it off. Okay. Just take this off down here. Sorry if my hand is in the way, but so now I'm gonna do her eyes. So I'll probably peel this back to do her eyes and her earrings. It's much easier just to peel it off instead of using the little tool. And her skin. Good. Her nose. Oh, this might be good. I know a lot of ladies in my group talking about how it's hard when they lose their noses and stuff inside. So that stayed on good. So this might be a winner, guys. Ladies, the nose, you don't have to worry about saving the nose. If you want to know about the group I'm in, well, I have a group on Facebook called Brown Girls Craft with Cricut. You can join that group and you will see a lot of different things. We do a lot of different things in that group. We show our talents off. We also help each other out. I do tutorials weekly. I upload videos weekly. I do a poll, and the ladies, we vote on the topics that I put in a poll, and then whatever one wins, that's what I do a video on every week on a week. And each week is a different poll. It's a different topic. Okay, so if you'd like to join that group, it's called Brown Girls Craft with Cricut. Okay, and to join that group, you must answer all the questions for me to go ahead and put you in the group. Let me see. So I'm just trying to get weed this eye out. Okay. I just want to show y'all step by step how to do this. So it might take me a little bit. So you just crease it and peel it back. Kind of easy, but I had these nails, so kind of tough using my nails. My nails are in the way. This is the skin. Okay. Okay, y'all, I like this. Let's make sure everything is out. I got her earrings out, her eyes. Let's see. Her little bugs. There she is. Isn't she beautiful? Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'm gonna set her on the table so you can see how she look. See this, I'm gonna get this out. This is a little dot that I gotta get that out, but that's fine. I'm gonna move it out the way. But I just want to show you how I'm sitting on my computer. This is what I'm saying when I say make sure everything you see white on the screen, you have to take it out. So all of this was white, see through. All the transparent stuff got to go. So you see those little dots. Make sure you get every single one of those. So just basically study your canvas on your design space and just make sure you get everything. The earrings, the ears, the hands, this all got to come out. And all little dots in her hair too. So that looks perfect, y'all. I'm going to be using my Cricut Easy Press because I do not want to use my heat press, only because I have my heat press set for my sublimation. And it's really hard to change my temperature on my heat press, because for the sublimation you have to do 400 degrees by 60 seconds for all the things you got to do the sublimation for. But for this, I have to do it for 320 for 20 seconds, okay? And I do not want to mess that temperature up on my heat press. So yes, I'm going to be using the Cricut. I'm going to be using my Easy Press Max right here. With my gray shirt. And the first we need to do is go ahead and shake out the shirt a little bit. Put it on the mat where I want it. I got this from it's a cotton t-shirt from Walmart, 100% cotton. Well, 60% cotton, 40% polyester. Okay. So I'm gonna set up my shirt, make sure it's even on my mat, my Cricut Easy Press. Back is still warming up, but I'm gonna go ahead and get the moisture out of my shirt. So I'm just gonna lay it right here, press it down a little bit, and let it sit for like 10 seconds. Now I have everything weeded out. I'm gonna put the image right about 2 fingers down from the neckline. I'm about to be right there. I think this is good enough to center it. Okay, smooth it out real good. Make sure it's in the middle of the mat so it'll press well on with the Easy Press. Okay, I have everything pressed out and ready to go. I went ahead and weed it out, the word unbothered, and put it on the shirt. I used a gray shirt because I was tired of using white. I always use white for sublimation, so I want to use a gray shirt. Next time I'm gonna use a black shirt. Try it on black also. This holographic HTV. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm ready to go ahead and pull it out and show the results. Make sure it's a cold peel. It's been sitting long enough. And voila. Came right out, and I'm gonna do the word. Alrighty, and here we have it. And it's this vinyl, you can really feel it. It's really thick. It's not like, I just don't, it's the texture is really thick. Okay. I think it's thicker than regular vinyl to me, because sometimes the other vinyl is kind of soft. Depends on what kind you get. Like the Siser vinyl is soft, but this right here is kind of thick. So here's the results. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment bar below. Like I said, next time I'm gonna use a black shirt, but I like the gray. The light is in the way. Let's turn this light. You see it better with the light, without the light shining on it. So there you have it. Thanks for watching. Yes, it really looks dark in this camera, and plus it's dark in the room. So I'm gonna take another picture of it outside. But I like the shirt. It's gonna work for me. Thanks for watching.